Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up eSIM on Samsung Galaxy F56. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then go to connections and now go to SIM manager. Then click on add eSIM and click on scan QR code. And now you have to scan your QR code and you have to enter your verification code. And as you can see, my eSIM is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.